Hey there, science lovers. Today, I'm tackling a burning question. Is it safe to keep gunpowder at home? Let's dive right in. First off, let's get one thing clear. Gunpowder is a highly flammable substance. Before you even think about storing it at home, you need to know the risks and the regulations. In the US, for example, there are strict laws about how much gunpowder you can keep without a special permit. So, always check your local laws first. Alright, so, what exactly is gunpowder? It's a chemical mixture of saltpeter, charcoal, and sulfur. These components, when combined, create an incredibly powerful explosive. It's been used for centuries in fireworks, firearms, and even mining. Pretty cool, right? But here's the kicker. Because it's an explosive, it can be incredibly dangerous if not handled properly. Even a small spark can ignite gunpowder, leading to potentially catastrophic results. So, safety is paramount. If you're thinking about storing gunpowder at home for reloading ammunition or for scientific experiments, there are a few key tips you need to follow. First, always store gunpowder in a cool, dry place. Moisture can cause it to become unstable. Use a designated fire-resistant storage container and make sure it's tightly sealed to keep out any moisture or contaminants. Next, keep gunpowder away from any sources of heat or open flames. That means no storing it near your furnace, stove, or any electrical outlets. A simple static electricity spark can be enough to ignite it, so be extra cautious. One more thing. Limit the amount you keep at home. The more you have, the higher the risk. Many experts recommend storing no more than a few pounds at a time, even if local laws allow for more. It's just safer that way. Now, let's talk about handling. Always use non-sparking tools and wear protective gear like gloves and goggles. And never smoke around gunpowder. I can't stress that enough. So, is it safe to keep gunpowder at home? The answer is it can be, but only if you follow strict safety guidelines and legal regulations. Respect the power of gunpowder and handle it with care. That's all for today, folks. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of science. Until next time. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only. Always follow local laws and guidelines when handling hazardous materials.